Well, my name's Shane and I work for Drains Kleen and I'm a back truck operator for Drains Kleen. So we've got an STG truck with the jetter on the back. Instead of this reel, we'd have a jetter. This one we've got the longer suction hose so that we can do longer jobs, obviously. We've had nothing but good things to say about them. They seem to be able to do a longer distance in the pulling. They've got a bigger blower. The gurneys, they're great. You can get them cranked up to about 4,000 PSI, so that works well for us. A lot of tree roots and stuff we've got to cut out. So yeah, that's my opinion. Well, we've done a lot of long distance pulls. So we've tried 100 metres. We've tried with another company, another truck that wasn't STG and it couldn't keep up. So we've always gone back to the STG because they can pull the longer distance and the others don't seem to hold up. So that's my opinion. What we're going to do, we'll go over there and we'll release the water out of this one. And then I'll start to lift the tank up and then we'll open the door and wash all the spoil out.